Hi there, welcome to Phoenix Honda. Today we are looking at a 2016 model Honda CR-V. This particular one is a 1.6 D-Tech, so it's your diesel manual, and it's the SR model. So with your SR model you're getting the upgraded alloy wheels, the rear window tints, car's finished in passion red paint. This particular SR also comes with full one-touch front and rear electric windows, electrically foldable and adjustable wing mirrors. You've got your front parking sensors as well as your headlamp wash. You've also got the economy function. You've got steering wheel mounted cruise control and speed limiter functions, as well as auto lights, auto wipers. You've also got half leather, half Alcantara interior, and you've also got heated front seats as well as stop start function on the vehicle. You've also got the 7-inch Honda Connect system, which is good for connecting up your phone and taking all of your apps, etc., pictures, music, etc., and has the versatility to use this system to stream the music. You've also got dual climate control and air conditioning, and you've got your Bluetooth steering wheel controls there as well, and your audio controls also steering wheel mounted. This particular vehicle has just a touch under 10,500 miles on the clock. Paintwork and the interior of the car is in absolutely pristine condition. If you'd like to arrange a test drive or a viewing of this particular Honda CR-V, then please contact Phoenix Honda on 0141 842 1011. Thank you.